Assalamu alaikum friends and my dear students, how are you? Hopefully all of you are fine. My name is Engineer Muhammad Wasim and I am recording a lecture number 19 related to the an antenna series. In this video series, today the lecture topic is a loop antenna. Now before going toward the topic, it is requested to all of you that kindly subscribe the channel Infotech Science and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can receive the video through notification and the connection between you and me established permanently. Now moving toward the topic is actually a loop antenna. Loop antenna is actually a radio antenna which have a different shape, which have a different types, which have a different material used. What type of shape existed for the loop antenna? It usually have a type of the loop, this type of closed loop. It also have the shape of a tube. It also have the shape of the you can say that the coil of the wire. It can also have the electrical conductor. Now actually the loop antenna is categorized into two basic types. One is known as the smaller loop antenna and other is a larger loop antenna. Now we study that which categories, what are the parameters which decide that it is a smaller loop antenna or it is a larger loop antenna. Actually it is totally dependent on the circumference of the wavelength. Now for the smaller loop antenna, the circumference of the wavelength is actually, you can say that the length of the loop antenna is actually equal to the 10 times of the wavelength. You can say that L is equal to lambda by 10. Now for the larger loop antenna, we have usually length L is equal to the wavelength of the operating frequency. Now we have basically two types of categories. One is smaller loop, other is larger loop. Now both the loop antenna have benefits and also advantages. If you take as a smaller loop antenna like that, this is a smaller loop antenna. When you saw that this type of antenna, this is look like as a loop. You can also saw that this is the loop actually. Now this loop basically two types of loop. One is as a rectangular loop and other is also a circular loop. Now if you watch antenna in your roof, this type of antenna is actually used specially for the radio receptions. Now it is also existed in PCB board. In the PCB board it is usually existed in the rectangular shape, but for the commercial purpose it is existed in the round shape. I can also show you in my video that how it look as. For the smaller loop antenna, actually the size is smaller. Therefore it is specially used only in order to receive the signal from certain transmitter. However, it is not used for the transmitter because of its smaller length. However, it can also be used for the transmitter and the receiver if its size increases, especially for the larger loop antenna. Now on moving toward the radiation pattern of this loop antenna. The radiation pattern of this loop antenna actually have two lobes, and how it look as lobe, it can also shown in your screen. That lobe is like that. In the center point there is a null. We have two lobes, both are in opposite directions. It basically it shows that. Now the basic thing in the loop antenna is that it totally dependent on the circumference of the wavelength of the operating frequency. If its circumference of the wavelength is lambda by 10, we can say that it is a smaller loop antenna. However, if its length L is equal to the wavelength of the operating frequency, we can say that this is the larger loop antenna. Both have different approaches, different functions. Both the loop antenna are existed in different format, different forms. Sometimes it is existed in the rectangular form, sometimes it existed in the round shape or round circle type. Both the antennas are fed with the help of a balancing source. In this video, hopefully you understand that what is the loop antenna. I again tell you that loop antenna is actually a radio antenna which consists of a loop, of different shape, different type, different sizes, whether it is a rectangular, whether it is a circular, whether it is made up of the tube, whether it is made up of the conducting wires, whether it is made up of the coil of the wires. It is up to you, or it is up to the designer, or up to the specification, what is the demand for the loop antenna. It is a very simple antenna. Look, as this is the actually loop, which is a rectangular loop, which is fed by a balancing source. This is the balancing source. This is the connector which is connected with the two ends, one end at this position, other end is at this position. Now this is actually a smaller loop antenna whose wavelength is lambda by 10. Mean the length which I show here, this is the length, is actually equal to the lambda by 10. This is for the smaller loop, and for the larger loop, it is length is equal to the wavelength. It is according to the dimension or requirement. Hopefully you can understand in this lecture what is a loop antenna, what are their radiation pattern, or what is the smaller loop antenna, what is larger loop antenna, and how to design a antenna in a rectangular shape and in a circular shape. It is up to the requirement. You can also saw in my video the different shapes, sizes of the loop antenna. Hopefully you understand it. Now I know. Bye.